Transforming your outdoor space doesn't have to be time-consuming or complicated. With a bit of planning and the right approach, you can install stunning landscape lighting in just a couple of hours without needing to hire an electrician or invest in expensive professional services. Imagine your garden, pathways, and patios coming alive with a warm, inviting glow, all achieved with tools you already have at home. Here's how you can create a magical evening ambiance with effortless DIY landscape lighting installation. Begin by visualizing the effect you want to achieve. Walk around your yard as the sun sets, noting the areas that fade into darkness. Picture which trees, shrubs, or architectural features you want to highlight. Maybe it's the winding garden path, the stately oak in the backyard, or the stonework along your patio. Jot down these focal points for reference. Remember, less is often more. Subtle, well-placed lights can create drama and depth without overwhelming your landscape. Next, choose your lighting fixtures. Solar-powered or low-voltage lights are the best choices for a quick, safe, and hassle-free installation. Solar lights require no wiring at all. Just ensure they'll receive enough sunlight during the day to shine at night. Low-voltage systems, on the other hand, are energy efficient, safe to handle, and easy to expand. They typically include a transformer that plugs into an outdoor outlet, which steps down your home's standard voltage to a level safe for outdoor use. Gather your materials, your lights, extension cords if needed, a shovel or trowel, a rubber mallet, and possibly some landscape staples or cable clips to secure wires. If you're using low-voltage lights, you'll also need a simple screwdriver to attach wires to the transformer. Set everything out in your workspace to streamline installation. Start by placing your lights where you want them. Don't worry about securing them just yet. Walk around at dusk and turn them on, or if they're solar, use a flashlight to simulate the effect. This step is crucial for previewing the impact and making sure you're happy with your arrangement. Adjust the spacing, angles, and positioning until you achieve the look you desire. For pathways, stagger lights on either side for a natural flow. For trees and features, angle spotlights upward to cast dramatic shadows. Remember to avoid shining lights directly into windows or neighbors' yards. Once you're satisfied with your layout, it's time to install. For solar lights, installation couldn't be easier. Push the stakes into the ground at your chosen spots, using a rubber mallet if the soil is tough. Make sure each light is upright and securely anchored. For best performance, ensure the solar panels are unobstructed and face the sun. If you're using low-voltage lights, follow a few simple steps. First, position your transformer near an outdoor GFCI outlet. Lay out the main low-voltage cable along your planned lighting route, leaving enough slack at each fixture location. Use your shovel or trowel to create a shallow trench, about 2 to 3 inches deep, where the cable will rest. This keeps wires out of sight and protected from lawn equipment. Attach each fixture to the cable using the manufacturer's connectors, which usually snap or pierce onto the wire. These connections are designed to be weather-resistant and don't require stripping the wire. After connecting all your lights, plug the transformer into the outlet and switch it on. Check to see that all lights illuminate. If any remain dark, double-check the connections. They may simply need a firmer press. Once everything is working, gently backfill the trench, hiding the cable while leaving enough slack to reposition fixtures if needed. Use landscape staples or cable clips to keep the wire secure and tidy. Angle each light for the best effect and adjust the heads as needed. Some fixtures allow you to swivel or tilt the light beam. For added convenience, set your transformer's timer or light sensor. This ensures your landscape lights turn on automatically at dusk and switch off at dawn or after a set number of hours. You can relax knowing your outdoor space will always look its best without any extra effort. With your new lights in place, step back and admire the transformation. The once shadowy garden path now beckons with a gentle glow. Trees and shrubs take on a sculptural quality, their leaves and branches highlighted by subtle uplighting. Your patio becomes an inviting retreat, perfect for evening gatherings or quiet reflection under the stars. To maintain your new lighting, perform quick seasonal checks to ensure fixtures are upright and free of debris. Clean solar panels occasionally for maximum brightness and replace batteries as needed. For low-voltage systems, check for exposed wires and make any necessary adjustments if you add or move plants and features. Don't be afraid to experiment with your setup. As your garden grows and changes, so can your lighting design. Add new fixtures, swap out bulbs for different color temperatures, or reposition lights to highlight new focal points. The flexibility and ease of DIY landscape lighting mean your outdoor oasis can evolve with your style and needs. Landscape lighting isn't just about aesthetics, it also enhances safety and security. Well-lit paths reduce the risk of trips and falls, while a softly illuminated yard can deter unwanted visitors. The inviting ambiance encourages you and your guests to spend more time outdoors, enjoying the beauty of your home even after sunset. If you're feeling creative, consider adding specialty lights for extra flair. String lights can bring a festive touch to pergolas or fences. Deck and step lights provide subtle guidance for foot traffic. Colored bulbs or smart lights that change hues with a tap on your phone can create special effects for holidays or parties. The possibilities are as limitless as your imagination. In just 2 hours, you can completely redefine your outdoor living experience. With a little planning, the right materials, and a can-do attitude, effortless DIY landscape lighting is within reach for everyone. So gather your supplies, roll up your sleeves, and let your creativity shine. Your transformed, illuminated garden awaits, ready to welcome you home night after night.